Sawuzane, akwande akukhanye. You're speaking to Mamkosazana. You're speaking to Umthunzi Wezwe. You're speaking to Mkhululanga. Okay. Today ngizoqashisa ngisaqhubekela phambili about relationships when you are a gifted child. The topic for today: check the family that you're going to get married to. Check the family of the person that you are dating. Bheka umndeni walo muntu othandana naye. Kuningi. Once again, I met up with someone who told me that abakhwenyana bakhe bonke bayashona, unnatural death. Every time she dates, the husband dies. The husband died, the first husband died, the second husband died, the third fiance died. And all these people dies. The other one, it was a gunshot. The second one, knife. The third one, car accident. All these people bahamba ngegazi. Uthe mayithi ubonile lokho nodade wabo. She lost her husband via a gunshot. No auntie wakhe lost her husband via a gunshot. Nodade wabo futhi omncane lost a fiancé via a gunshot. So it's very important ukuthi mawuthole umuntu uthi uyoshada, go and check about that person. Go to an authentic diviner. And then I've had guys, last year, I had guys that came to me, ukuthi mkhulu, ever since ngithandana no Togo, I'm losing businesses, I'm losing money, I'm losing. It's very, very important to check the family that you think you're going to get married, because that family can be a downfall. And to tell you ukuthi umuntu lo othandana naye akazi. Avuthi. This girl, you meet this girl doesn't know what happened in her family years back. You meet this guy and this guy is not aware what happened to his family years back. Then you can become a downfall to that guy, and that guy can become a downfall to your life. So it's important ukuthi nihambe niyochecka uthando lwenu. The family with the siblings and the aunts that lost the husbands, the fiancés to unnatural death, bonke. Their great-grandfather had a snake. Wayisebenzisa, and then he used the snakes for money, rituals, and then it went on and on and on and on. Then eventually he passed on. After passing on, people do not know about the secrets or what was done to feed the snake. Now, over the years, the snake is coming back to feed on the outsiders, to feed on abomakoti, to feed on abakhwenyana. So be careful, guys. Into zomoya ziyasebenza. Don't be ignorant. I don't know how much I can stress this. Those that hasn't experienced that, I was once like you before God gave me the gift. I was once ignorant. I used to think things happens, someone's life is predestined. No, it's not. It's not. Witchcraft is real. Witchcraft is real. Things are happening under the sun. So check the family. Okay. Bengithe ngishare nani a thing or two, because it's good to share things that a person comes across, because maybe so many people can relate to those things. If you relate to these stories, if you've seen that your sister lost someone unnaturally, now you lost someone unnaturally, please go and check. Please go and check. Angithi biblically kuthiwa we are suffering for the sins that were done by our forefathers. It's still happening. It's still happening. So be careful, guys. Watch, because someone can be your downfall. Someone can be your downfall. And imagine, now, they want love. They need love. They want to be loved. They want to share love. Obviously, bathandana nalo ashone, bathandane nalo ashone. They remain with trauma. But they don't know the cause. And those guys that are dying don't know the cause either. The cause is something that happened long back, because a spirit doesn't die. Umoya awufi. Yabona noma ungathini, noma ungathi mina ngumzalwane, noma ungathi ngiyini, noma ungathi ngiyini. Futhi nje abantu aba ignorant ephejini lami, please don't even waste my time. Don't even scroll down and move. Don't even comment and show your ignorance in the whole world. I was once like you, ne? I was as religious as you. Now I'm spiritual, which is even better for me, which worked better for me ever since I aligned with my guides. Kwahamba ngolayini. Kwahamba ngolayini. So nje ngicela nje ungakhomenti into ofuna ukuyikhomenta, because baningi abantu that are broken. Uthola ukuthi umuntu is broken. Manje yazi ngenze njani? Ngivele ngimtshela umuntu indaba zakhe. Ngimtshela ukuthi wena sibani bani, because as you type, even if you're using the fake account, I can pull your energy. I can pull your energy. Bese ngiyakutshela. Yabona these days I will tell you indaba zakho in front of the world. Indaba zakho zifihlayo. Because yo niporekile. Futhi yabona makungaba iFacebook, free Wi-Fi or free mode ye Facebook, sivelelwe. So use your brains, read to understand, listen to understand, listen to learn, because social media is the best thing ever, because we teach. Ungamangali, don't get a surprise when niyafelwa ngamadoda kini nonke niyafelwa. Nibulalisa abantwana babantu. Niwisa abantwana babantu. Because you don't know. So should you incur those symptoms, leyo nto leyo, lelo bhadi lelo libhlungu kangaka, go and consult to an authentic healer, not someone ozoshaya guesswork. Uvela ufike nje laphayana gama lami ngumkhulula ngabi, hayi ngizochecka nje ngempilo yami. Let them tell you ukuthi lo muntu onaye is a downfall, or lo muntu onaye will help you to grow up financially and spiritually. Ngithi awavuthe. Owami umlilo ushisa emanzini. Owami umlilo ushisa emanzini. The more uthi uyawucima, the more uthela ngepetrol. Ngithi awavuthe. Yabonga mina. Learn, grasp, Learn. If you relate, thank you. Learn. Go to the healer for divination before they even pay lobola, before you even pay lobola, because uzodonsa umkhokha ulethe kini, uzobulala the whole spirituality nethonga lakini in the family. Nilungise manithandana. Our vote ngiyabonga mina.